هذا راسي بس ينقش يجيب السنة تريكوليا أجداد خلص عاد تشهر ماشي كان البيت هذا وكنا بس أول بس نزين يعرف عندك
We have shown during 7 years fighting against the Khomeini's regime. We did never any kind of terrorism. We never took any hostages. We never put any bomb in big towns to kill defenseless people. It was not so difficult for us to do it. But by principle, we have been from the beginning against any kind of such, let's say, such kind of fighting, because we consider that we are fighting against the Iranian regime.